All right, I'm about to change the brake on this GMC Terrain 2013. As you can see, first step to take the lugs, the bolts off the tires. Now that that's done, well, the first step is to jack it. And when you jack it, take the nuts off and get started. More to follow. And once you get the tire off, the next step will be to take the two bolts out of the caliper, as you see. Alright, now that those are loosened, on to the next step. Alright, once you get the brake caliper off like so, then it's time to put the new brakes on. And then the next step will be to compress the caliper, which you do with a brake caliper tool, pressing tool, like so. You take the old brake, like so, and you put it inside and you compress it. Alright, once it's compressed down like so, should be flush, a little bit flush, like so. You put it back on the brake. Alright, it's a few steps that's not in the video. Once you compress the caliper, you bleed the brakes. It's gonna be, you just take a wrench and you take the wrench and turn it a quarter to the left, and then you get someone else to push the brakes down and bleed the air out the system. Get you a clear tube so you can see the air bubbles coming out of the tube. And then once you do that, tighten down your valve for your brake bleeder, for your brake bleed valve. Put your tire back on, tighten up your lugs, and then there you go. Good to go.